Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the origin of birds or aves. Now, the story of origin of birds or aves is very interesting, and it started in 1861 when in one of the states of Germany, the state is called as Bavaria, one of the fine fossil record of one of the flying dinosaur known as Archaeopteryx were found. Now, this remarkable discovery led to many speculations and many theories about the origin of birds. In 1868, a very famous painter, Thomas Henry Huxley, he illustrated how birds might have evolved from these flying dinosaurs. Now, when further investigations were carried out and scientists they performed different types of experimentations, especially the three-dimensional restructuring, it was found that Archaeopteryx had brain just like the birds. It was different from the brains of the reptiles or the dinosaurs. It had comparatively larger cerebral lobes, which are present in the modern birds, and they were not present in the reptiles of that time. So this was very interesting discovery as well. Now, when scientists also performed different restructuring experiments, and it was found out that the Archaeopteryx they had enlarged visual centers, and they also had highly developed inner ear canals, which are similar to the ear canals of modern birds, and they are very important for the coordination and agility which is needed for the flight in the modern birds. Now, unlike the modern birds, it also had unique structures. For example, the jawbone of these flying dinosaurs or Archaeopteryx, they were armed with teeth, while we know that in modern birds there are no teeth. Instead, they have a beak which is devoid of any teeth in that structure, and the tail or reptilian tail of those flying dinosaur that was also covered with feathers just like the modern birds. So this was very remarkable discovery, and as you can see, some other unique structures they were also found in these Archaeopteryx. As you can see, this is a perfectly preserved specimen of flying dinosaur known as Archaeopteryx. You can see how perfectly the wings with feathers have been preserved, and you can see the reptilian tail. It has also uh, covered with the feathers, just like the modern birds. Now, another thing which was unique and different from the modern birds is the presence of three clawed bearings. You can see here, these were actually three claws which were present on their wings, and they are absent in the modern birds. Now, when we talk about the origin of birds, scientists are for sure that it has some links with the Archaeopteryx, but they are not sure if Archaeopteryx was the ancestor of modern birds or whether Archaeopteryx itself gave rise to it shared the common ancestor with those modern birds. This is still more investigations are being carried out in order to get some conclusive theories about this one.